Okay, we're opening the box of Féria Intense Deep Audburn R48. We have the Power Shimming Conditioner, number 4, that's at the last. We have the instructions. And there's a glove inside. Black gloves. They gave me black gloves. Just what I like. And we have the L'Oreal number 1. This is the mix with the bottle, number 2. Pretty good, easy instructions. And conditioning shampoo. The Aroma Shimmer Serum, number 3, and the Color Booster Amplifier. That's what it's called. As you guys can see, everything is on here. I've never dyed my own hair red. I've dyed in the past, blondes and chocolate browns, and it was pretty good. But I never did a red, so I'm kind of scared. But it's all good. It's all good. If anything, I can just go to the hair salon and ask for help. Okay, so be sure your hair is dry and unshampooed. Put a colorless gloves, drape dark towel over shoulders to protect clothing. The first thing I'm gonna do is put on the gloves. Put on colorless gloves, drape dark towel over, okay. Snap off the tip of the shimmering conditioning develop cream bottle 2. Snap it. Boop. Remove applicator cap from bottle. Remove the cap. Pour all the shimmering conditioner color gel into the shimmering conditioner develop a cream bottle. Shimmering conditioner. Number 1, which is this one. This is number 1, and 2 the number 2. Okay, you guys can see. I'm gonna pour it to the number 2. Oof, strong. Pour all the shimmering conditioning color gel into the shimmer, blah, blah. Open aromatic shimmer serum ample labeled 3 and pour contents into the bottle number 2. So, number 3. Open shimmer serum. Number 3. Into the bottle. Snap here. It's gonna say snap here. And so we pour it in the bottle. Okay. Carefully open Féria Color Booster tube and all the contents into bottle number 2. Use caution when opening the booster tube to avoid spilling. So this is the booster, color booster. And we're going to be careful to open it, and then we're going to pour it out. Oh, okay. Yeah, we definitely got to be careful. It's like a dye. Definitely. As you guys can see, I just wanted to do that so you guys can see this. That is what's going to give the color red. It's a booster. So just be careful. Just never know. Okay, so we want to pour it all in there. definitely gently close it. Just a little mess here. Looks like blood. And we're gonna need some paper towel. And then check it out, please. Okay, replace applicator cap on shimmering conditioning developed cream bottle. So we're replacing the cap onto the bottle. Place your gloved finger over open tip. Point away from your face and shake well. Away from the face, guys. Away from the face, because if one, you're just gonna splatter everywhere. You just want to do it away from the face. As I'm shaking, I'm gonna drink my red wine. Very good. Red and red. It's called red wine and red hair. Red is everything. Okay, so now that we got all these things together, it's time to brush this crazy hair. And then I'm gonna need a fluff towel. What? Yeah, I'm going to need a towel. Okay. So, alright guys, I'm just going to, this is me crazy guys. First time doing this. OMG. Babe, do we have a dirty towel anywhere? Woo! Smells like raspberry. Try not to be so close so you don't breathe it. I hope my hair doesn't turn orange. We just want even. We want it. I think what's so easy about red is that you can see if it's even or not. If it's going to your blonde. Can you get me rubber bands, please? Or like. He's my little assistant. No, I need a clipper. A clip. I mean, if it gets to my root, it's fine because I do have some white hair. So, definitely want this to be even. I mean, it looks like I have a lot of hair, but my hair is thin. If you have a lot of hair, I suggest 2 boxes. Boop. Now it's time for the next section. It's in the drawer. I mean, you can get me to the left, to the left. Yes. This looks pretty cool. Okay, and now we'll do another part. That looks nice and red. Okay. Babe, have you met me with red hair? No, right? I finished the red before you met me. So my husband never seen me in red hair. This is gonna be his first time ever. Yes, this is gonna be his first time ever seeing me in red hair. He's gonna love it. Okay, so now we're gonna finish up this side. It's rubber bands. Little tiny black rubber bands. It did say clips and I changed my mind. Okay. Not really. So we're wearing red everything. Red bandana, red shirt, Spider-Man. Red everything, huh? Thanks.
I thought it was a banana.
That's for my baby shower. Junior's baby shower, remember?
Like a banana?
Mm-hmm. Okay, as you guys can see here, that is really red.